Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the tmmon64 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start fixing tmmon64 library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the tmmon64 library, the 64-bit localized task management monitor. It facilitates the localized aggregation of real-time process usage data, CPU and RAM and I/O. It is an unmanaged dependency for specialized system monitoring dashboards and performance profilers. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The presence of tmmon64 library DLL is mandatory for trend micromonitoring 64-bit to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite with the error will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the tmmon64 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install tmmon64 library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing tmmon64 library dependencies. If tmmon64 library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.